Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by entering Custom Match right away. Open Mobile Legends and tap Custom to control the battlefield. Select the exact map and mode you want, then set player slots so you can change team composition. Once done, pick Rule Modifiers and Spawn Settings. These control lane minions, jungle timers, and fog. Make sure to invite teammates or fill with bots so you can test changes in a stable environment. This immediate setup gets you into the action fast and gives full control over variables. You now change the core battlefield mechanics. Open room settings and edit jungle respawn timers, turret HP, and minion waves. These numeric tweaks directly alter pacing. Next, toggle Fog of War and Vision rules so you can practice vision control or gank patterns. Then enable or disable objectives like Turtle and Lord to simulate mid-game power spikes. If the custom menu supports advanced options or scripts, use them carefully to spawn items or alter gold flow. This middle stage, you finish by running quick test matches to observe how the changes affect pacing and balance. Play 3-5 short rounds to watch jungle, lane, and objective interactions. Once you see issues, tweak relevant values, usually in small increments like 5 to 15%, then retest to confirm improvements. When satisfied, save the configuration and document key numbers for future reuse. If something goes wrong, reset the custom settings or recreate the room to clear corrupted parameters. That single troubleshooting step resolves most glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.